See students, today I will show you about how to make a fire alarm for your class 12 project as I also need it. So see, first we have to take a PCB board as you are seeing this is it, and then we have to collect all these items, that is a buzzer, one PNP 369 transistor, one NPN 548 transistor, one 1k resistance, and 330k ohm resistance, a starter, two bar starter that will work as a fire switch, and a battery cap, and a 9-volt battery. Now let's start it. We have to connect it all as you are seeing in this video. So then after connecting, it will look like this. Then you have to connect the battery cap into the battery. Wait for a moment, and then the fire switch temperature will be raised, and then it will sound like this. Wait, like this, and when it comes to normal temperature, it will automatically turns off. So now you have seen how does a fire alarm works. So be ready and make your work.